This is a 2004 cigarette 36 Gladiator that we've just bought, and it's got twin 9.1 litre V8's, and it's got 775 horsepower. Anyway, today we are going to take it out for a spin and see if we can get up to the claimed 108 mile an hour top speed. So let's go. We've got the fire extinguishers. Just test the fire extinguishers. Yeah, we're good. No, you've got to make sure it works. So we've got the. We need to get away from the wreck quickly if it jumps. So life jackets could impede our progress. Helmets could stop me seeing properly. So I'm going to be steering it here, and that's the gear sticks, that's the throttles, and Nick, my brother, is going to be doing the throttles. You're going to be sat here filming, and Luke is going to be here in charge of all the fire extinguishers. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4 fire extinguishers, and they're the engines, which are twin 9.1 litre V8's. With carburetors, of course. That's why we have the fire extinguishers, because we've had a few flames in the last couple of days of testing. These are Stenning £30,000 stainless steel water-cooled exhausts. And I mean, just look at that, isn't that just the most pretty, stunning engines you've ever seen? So we've had a bit of a problem with the carbs. We've cleaned the carbs. I love the reflective lining on there. Yeah, let me have a look. I've got to find them first.
Let's say trim.
Tabs, here we go.
It sounds like leg trim more than. Got to do the fenders, haven't we?
Fenders, we've got fenders. Fenders are out.
Yeah, I need to bring them. Are you going to go for fuel? Yeah.
Yeah.
What's this? Well, we don't need. It doesn't matter if it runs out of fuel, really. Should we just keep going?
Too much grief. Well, someone just tow us in. Well, we're not in a bad panic. I mean, I think we should. How much are we going to put in, Nick?
Well, if it's nearly full, it won't.
That's not 3/4 full, is it? Just want to check they're not going in the bilge. We've done that before, haven't we? Fucking hell.
Steer it. Left, left, left.
Luke has got to pull the fenders in. He's got to get the fenders in. Get the fenders in! Right, you've got the tabs in.
Steer it over, steer it over.
That tab works, so that shows you it's right up. So when you do them both down, that will actually show you the position. Fucking hell, I can't see shit. Chumps, got all the throttles back. We've got to be able to have it flat away. Oh, it's lovely. Not too close. Lovely day for it. Has he got a horn? Look.
See yourself moving to Miami, David?
Oh, I love this.
Go on then. Start it up then. Oh, just a...
Yeah.
Yeah, we're in.
Right, give it the beans when I get it straight. Okay. Okay.
Trimmed up too much.
It's the tabs, that's the tabs.
That's right up. You should have. Do you tab it down for a start?
Yeah, but
Well, we got to tab it right down for start, and then you lift them up. Fucking hell!
65. And there's loads left. Let's put it away. I think we should take it back in.
Oh!
Right, let's go in.
Okay. Wowee! That was the nuts! And we didn't die!
I mean,
We haven't died!
that must scream when it's really flying.
That is the fucking tits.
Spikes up.
Isn't that the tits? Isn't it? I mean, look, you're glad you're coming here, aren't you?
Go inside the green.
So what speed did we get up to 70?
Yeah.
I think, yeah, nearly 70.
It had loads more left,
Yeah.
didn't it?
Starting to get going, wasn't it?
Yeah.
It's just heat, is it?
Yeah, I think so.
So we've lost the starboard engine and we've lost reverse in both engines. But what do you want to go backwards for anyway, Luke?
True.
This thing's meant to go full.
It goes forwards. And it's told us it's not going backwards. We want to back in over there and it won't let us back in. So now we're drifting because obviously we can't drive into the wall. It's lovely, isn't it? Peaceful.
Beautiful.
Mm.
It's watching you gentlemen. Your boats.
What do you think of the
What do you think of this boat then? No, what do you think of it? Oh, he does 100. 100 mile an hour.
Go the other side, Luke.
But at the moment, it won't do any mile an hour. Yeah. Yeah. Only 20 grand or something.
You're going to have to fend off.
Yeah, but what price can you put on fun?
I want to try and turn it round if we can, Luke. So if
I reckon we go here, because they said originally we could go...
the corner of the marina damages it, so Luke's going to pull you round.
Is that the couple of V12 Ferraris in there expecting?
It's got 9 litre V8's. Carburettor.
Nice little sound coming out though.
Did you hear it?
Oh, absolutely beautiful. Love it. But you had some fun out there, did you?
We went airborne.
Did you?
So this is the reality of having a cigarette with no reverse, no bow thruster, just goes forwards. Oh, Ash, I'm going to start it up there because you get a nice back shot. Just sprayed you in the face with petrol. I reckon it's quite efficient on fuel.
Right, so I can't hear anything.
What do you reckon then, Luke? I mean, it's so smooth, wasn't it?
Beautiful.
Just gliding over the waves. So what do you reckon we've done on this one?
I don't think there's a problem. It's probably just
hot
timing or whatever. Yeah. That was the one that had the problem, wasn't it?
Yeah.
You need to turn the batteries off and everything.
Yeah. We didn't need the fire extinguishers either.
See ya. Have you got any more ropes?
Do you want to hear the engine start? Do you want to hear the engine? Yeah, you do. You want to hear the engine start, yeah? It's not very noisy. Both going now, both going. They're fine. It's perfect. No
reverse.
No reverse, but both engines start still. So we got up to 70 mile an hour and then we lost our bottle, but it was super smooth and it would definitely do 100, no problem at all. But we didn't want to die today. Just a couple of things about this boat. So it was bought by Pudge Rodriguez in Miami, who's a baseball player in the one of the Miami teams. He had it for about 10 years and then he sold it to a gentleman in Mallorca. So that's when she came to Mallorca about 10 years ago. And we bought her in June and we've just been doing some engine works to her to make her good for today, which is late October now. So I'm very pleased. As I said earlier, twin 9.1 litre V8's, generating 775 horsepower each. And we've got special outdrives which perform beautifully. We didn't quite get the hang of the trim tabs and the trimming up and down, but I think we did all right. But what a beautiful boat. And it's for sale. And it's only 149,950. I've only got one. So if you want the best fun of your life, this is the one to have. And if you want to watch more stupid content like this, then press the subscribe button and the like button. And we'll see you later. Yeah, I love it. I think it's really good. I think we should keep it.